So we take this beautiful piece of mozzarella, cut it down the middle. We're going to work on this piece here. What we're going to do is run your knife down as straight as possible, about 3/4 of the way down. Now this bottom part is going to be the part that's going to be holding everything together, so don't cut all the way down. Slowly. And cut. Next step, onto the flour. Make a little hole for it there. Use your fingers to spread it apart. Make sure every part is covered. And turn it around. Okay, get your sides into our egg wash. And just twist. And into our breadcrumbs. You want every stick nicely covered. It's all nice and breaded. Okay, shake it off just a bit. Bring it over here with the rest. And we're going to place them in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now that we are back from the freezer, notice they are not totally hard. It's just nice enough to keep its shape. This is about what we're looking for right here. Carefully place it in your hot oil. Slowly. Okay, now that our final one is done, as you can see, got this nice cheese coming out, oozing out, and onto the sauce. So we take a big, beautiful red tomato, and using a spoon, we're going to carve, going inside the tomato deep in the center. Remove the center, just like that. Set it aside for later. Come right over here with the others. Take some parsley oregano mix, little fresh basil, tomato paste, fresh garlic head, salt and pepper, and the olive oil. We're going to pop these right in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright guys, so we are back from the oven with these beauties. Carefully take out your roasted garlic. What we're going to do here is use the inside, obviously. We're going to squeeze, get our garlic in there. Okay, now that this marinara sauce is ready, it's time to try it out. Dress them up with a little parsley, salt. Nice. Okay, now let's taste this mozzarella pom-pom. Ooh, it's hot. It's so good.
You're watching Chef Club.